good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to start a new chapter in 6th class. So the chapter name is Basic Geometrical Ideas. Okay friends, now without getting late, we'll start our video. Before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and if you hit this notification bell icon, what will happen? You'll never miss my video updates. Okay friends, I know that I am taking much time, so now I'm going to start the video. So friends, this is the 4th chapter, and here Basic Geometrical Ideas the chapter name is. So here we are going to start. What is this? We'll see now. Introduction. We see a variety of things around us. There are buildings, utensils. I think utensils means you all know that, the vessels which we are going to use in our kitchen, furniture, pictures, and lot more. Right friends, we are going to see so many things like this. And what they are asking still, you must have seen Rangoli or Mehendi designs. Of course, Rangoli is nothing but this one. Rangoli is this one, and Mehendi designs is for hand. That's what they given beside. Have you ever made this? Of course, I tried Mehendi for my hands. How do you make these designs? We use various geometrical shapes in them. See friends, if you observe this in this Mehendi design, you have a geometrical shape. This is called circle. One second, I'll just use a shape here. Okay, here it is not available. Okay friends, I'm going to use an arrow mark here. So this is circle, and this is called rectangle, and these are triangles, and these are curved lines, and this is again a rectangle, elliptical rectangle. So here also you can see different shapes like rectangle, square, circle, and triangles. Blue color, yellow color triangles are there. So that's what they are saying here. Observe some objects around you and identify what shapes you can see in them. For example, screen of TV. Of course it is in rectangular shape. Okay friends, I'll say some of the objects which I observe around me. So I'm in my living room. So my living room is having window. It is in the form of a rectangle shape. And my computer screen, it is also looks like rectangle shape. And camera is looking like a circle shape here. And next is a pencil box. It is also like a rectangle. Book is also looks like a rectangle. So yeah, that's it friends. Yes, of course, water bottle is there in front of me, so it looks like cylindrical shape. And front you can see rectangle, and top and bottom you can see here what you can see circle shapes, right? So these are the shapes I observed around me. The same way you also try to observe around you students, and try to write in the comment box what are the shapes you observe, and what kind of, when you observe, for example I said computer screen, I said that it looks like rectangle, so like that I want. Please students, try to write at least 2 or 3 examples in the comment section. So here he given similarly face of a fridge, pencil box, book, etc. are also in rectangular shape. But what about glass, bindi, flower, etc.? We have learnt about some geometric shapes in earlier classes. In this chapter we learn more about such geometric shapes. Okay, so he's talking about 3D shapes. Okay students, now moving on to the next point here. Yes, it is showing point. What do you mean by a point? Okay friends, okay students, now I'll just explain what do you mean by a point and all, and then we will read this. Okay students, so I just opened my notebook here, and chapter 4 I kept the heading, and basic geometrical ideas I kept here. Okay students, now I just want to explain something. So in this point, it is nothing but like a dot. It may be a smaller one, or it may be a bigger one, or it may be in this shape, or in this also, like this, even a big circle also. So by seeing this you can easily understand that there is no particular size, and always a point should be represented with capital letter. Always you should represent a point with capital letter. For example, if I want to represent, this is A like this, or you want to Z or X, W like this, you can. I don't want to represent a smaller one, I just want to take a bigger one. Now I'll go for C. Like this also you can represent. This is about your point. So in this you can easily understand that it should be represented by a capital letter, and for this there is no particular size. Point should be of this much only, or it should be a circle only, it should look like that only. It is not going to be defined. Okay, that is about your point. And coming to the next thing is ray. See students, here onwards you have three words: ray, line, line segment. You'll get these three words. So there is a combination and there will be a differences also will be there. So please listen carefully. So coming to the ray, it is nothing but it will start from one point and it will move on like this continuously to the other words. It will go on, move on like that endlessly. See, the arrow mark meaning is it can extend in this direction only. The meaning of the arrow mark is it can extend. So, but I know from where it is starting. For this, the best example of ray is nothing but your sun rays. We know where the sun rays are falling from, and we don't know where the rays are going. Yes, of course it will come onto the earth, but on the earth where it is going to reach? On a person. If rays are going to fall on a particular person, the ray will stop when the rays fall on your head? No, it will come onto your face like that. So that is the reason I am saying it will move on endlessly in one direction. Rays will move on endlessly in one direction. See here students, if you observe this very clearly, this picture, if you observe this picture, the rays are falling from one place. See, it is going on like this continuously. So many things like this it will go on. This is the meaning of ray. That's what I am saying. So I am just showing you a best example. That is the reason I written, see here. So endlessly it is moving on like that only. Okay. So it has one end point, means from where it is starting we can easily understand. From where it is starting, that's what we are calling as end point. Okay, don't think that the word end means it is going to stop. This is about your ray. And now moving on to the next topic, that is, always a ray is also represented like this. For example, here it is going to start and here it is going to be. So I can write AB ray as like this with capital letters. And coming to the next one, this is also called line or straight line. Okay, this is also called line or straight line. What will happen? It will go on like this only continuously, and there from where it started, from where it is going to end, we can't understand that. So that is about your line. The best example of line is here road. Do you know where the road is going to end? And do you know where the road is started? Yes, we don't know. So that is the reason we are going to show line is the best example of line is road. Okay, and here no end points. See, we can't say that you are going to start that road is started here or road is going to end, and endlessly in both the directions. It can extend endlessly in both the directions. Okay, I'll write here extend. And it is represented by capital letter. So like this it will be. So it is going to represent like this. And now we'll move on to the next topic, that is line segment. What is our next topic? Line segment. So what is the difference in this line segment is nothing but you can we can measure this line segment, and it has two endpoints, means we can measure is nothing but it can be the starting point and the ending point also will be able to know. So the best example of line segment is your scale. So the best example of your line segment is nothing but your scale. We can measure, right? So that is the reason I just selected this one example. Okay friends, so in this class we just learned what are the different types of lines are there and what do you mean by ray, point, straight line, and the real life examples of point, line and line segment and ray. Okay students, you try to find out, and other than this, are there any examples for line segment and ray? Okay, and please comment in the comment section. Bye students.